Mr. Juarez here from Mission Control. Going to show you how to log into GMetrix and get everything set up so you can do your lessons for the next couple of weeks. We're going to be working in GMetrix. So let's go ahead and start. You're going to log in. If you remember, we did this earlier in the year. Okay, so we did log into GMetrix and LearnKey at the beginning of the year, but we never went back to it. If you remember your password, go ahead and use that. If not, just click the Google. All right, the Google sign in. All right, it's at the bottom. So I have mine clearly, so I'll just go ahead and log in and I'll sign in. But if not, there's Google for you. All right, so it'll take you to this dashboard. This is the main screen, and it's going to look for courses. You're going to click courses, and you don't have anything yet. So you're going to hit start a new course and redeem your new access code. Now, the access code is in Google Classroom for this week. So go get the code. And then you can just copy and paste it like I'm doing here. And the code is going to get you into the class so that you can do the work for this week. It's really simple. All right, just like everything else. You just redeem your code and there you are, LearnKey Animate CC. Okay, and just click on that once you're in and that'll be your course. All right, from now on, this is what you'll see when you log in from the dashboard. So this is the first three parts that you're going to do this week. Setting up project requirements, and then there's a pre-test and the lesson, and then a post-test. Pre-test is to figure out what you already know. Okay, and there's only 7 items here, and they allow you 60 minutes to kind of do this. It's timed. So I'm going to go through this real quick. I'm going to choose just a bunch of random ones to kind of go through true, false. I didn't get them all correctly. I'm just kind of guessing here really quick. And of course, I've also sped this up, so you're not going to see everything that I did. So of course I failed because I didn't get everything right. It's only 7 questions, but again, this is just this is more for yourself to figure out what you know and what you don't know already. All right, and then of course you can print these out and you can review again, and you can kind of look at the areas that you've missed. And if you look, it's 25% done. That means you're 25% with the assignment, so that quickly you could be done with 25%. But this is the lesson area. All right, of course we have glossaries that you can make. And the glossaries you can add as you go. So basically you can do that. There's an activity report that shows you what lessons you've already finished. And of course, there's course resources at the very top. And here's just the workbook. We're not going to be using it this semester. And of course, the course description of the entire course. But again, we're still only 25% done. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and start our video lessons, which is video training. Right? And there's some lab exercises, but let's look at the video training first. All of the videos on the right-hand side, this is where our main learning takes place from now. This is a specialist that's going to teach us how to beat the test so you can get certified. And all of these movies are about 2 minutes long. So even though they look like there's a lot, they're only about 2 minutes long, and you can do them at your own pace. And if you already understand it, like this copyright permissions or tour of Adobe Animate, if you're comfortable with that, then you can just bypass those because you already know them. Again, this is just a study area, so you're expected to go through all of this week. Again, they're only about 2 to 3 minutes long. They're quick explanations. Once you finish watching them, then you'll go to the exercise labs. Now, this is kind of weird. It did this weird thing for me. So if I hit start, there's only two items, and then it says enable flash. So I'm going to enable it, all right, because I'm on a Mac. And it's going to take me for some reason back to the pre-assessment. So don't worry about that. Exit out of there if it does that to you like it did it for me. Click that exercise labs again, right? And then hit resume. And then it's going to take you to a match, right? And there's 2 items here. So I'm going to walk you through the first one. I'm actually going to probably give you some answers here. So it's just basically drag and drop to the right area, and then you submit, and it's going to tell you if you're correct or not. And then it's going to give you a little breakdown. Okay, so I already given you the first one. You hit next. I exited, so you hit next, so you can finish that other one. All right, and then after you finish the labs, then you go ahead and then you'll do the post assessment. Now this is the one that's graded, the one I put the grade down. And after you finish your tests, it'll tell you save tests or completed tests. So make sure you do that post assessment. And of course, this is your dashboard. Just like Canvas a little bit, so you'll be able to kind of navigate everywhere and find your lessons. So that's GMetrix LearnKey in a snapshot. Guys, I will talk to you later. If you have any questions, remember, again, hit me a remind message or message me through Google Classroom, but remind is always best. You guys have a great week.